Hey guys, this is me Shrishti and I welcome you on my YouTube channel Shrish Style. So welcome back. Guys, my today's video is about a sari that I created for myself and I will tell you step by step process what I did and what you can do if you want to have your own outfit from scratch basically. So I have decided to create this sari that is designer looking and very simple, elegant. I can wear in party or shadi function. That suits me really well and it should be in my budget because I just don't want to break my bank account. So that's the purpose, that all I wanted, and it's a very interesting process. Guys, the first step is idea as in what you want to create. You should decide first. It can be anything. It can be sari, it can be lehenga, it can be jumpsuit, skirt, anything, but you should decide first that what you want to have, what you want to create. So this is the first step. Second step is decide the design, fabric and color. So for that you can just take inspiration from Instagram pictures, any celebrity or even a designer like Sabyasachi, Manish Malhotra, doesn't matter. You have to decide one design. Like for my case, my fabric is off-white, so I just decided to have maroon color blouse, and that should be in brocade or zari wala fabric. So that's what I decided. Same way, just check Instagram, anything, whatever you want, and decide one thing, because after that you can just do the shopping and the next steps. So guys, basically the next step is all the essentials that you need for your outfit. Like for me, the blouse, lace to complement my whole sari, latkan, and even the accessories to finish off and complete your whole outfit. And look, just list all the items that you need. Guys, the next step is that we have everything designed. Fabric we have decided. Now we have to shop for the stuff. So for blouse, I initially thought कि मेरे को stitch कराना चाहिए, but then I went to Sarojini Nagar and I want a ready-made blouse there. It's affordable for me. And for lace and latkan, I went to Chandni Chowk. But the tip is you can't go Chandni Chowk just for one thing. If you have couple of items, you can just go there and shop in one go. So guys, just check it out and explore and get the fabric, and then you can just do the rest of the things, stitching and everything. So yeah, that's the next step.
So guys, I went to Chandni Chowk, and Kinari Bazaar is a market in Chandni Chowk where you can get good laces, latkan and flower jewelry at very affordable prices. So yeah, this is from where I got my lace and latkan.
So guys, now I'm putting from sari, blouse. Now for alteration of blouse, putting border and lace, I just choose local tailor in my area, and
that's my local tailor. He was not very keen to be in video or taking video as well. So yeah, I managed this much.
so guys, this is my sari. And this is border. It's beautiful. It's very pretty. And let me show you blouse as well. So yeah, this is the blouse. So guys, before showing you my final look, let me tell you the prices of everything. The fabric, the sari fabric is of ₹600. The blouse is of ₹600, and that lace is 400, and rest everything like tailor and that I think it's 400 total. So basically it's 2000 rupees sari. थोड़ा सा ऊपर या नीचे, I think, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so basically 2000 rupees for that sari. I think it's really pretty good deal and it's good sari. So guys, let me know आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा, मेरा साड़ी कैसा लगा. If you like it, then please subscribe to my channel, give me a big thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Shrish Styles. And now the final look.
So guys, that's my final look, and I finished this look with matching bangles, gold Veena earrings and rings, totally red and red lip color. I felt really beautiful. Now you have to tell me in the comment box what you guys think of this sari that I created and that complete look. Please let me know.